Are you a PET preform blower? Do you know what is the AA level? Is it deadly for your mineral water bottle consumer? You need to stop blowing your machine right now and watch this video before you blow the next preform. Hi, my name is Rohit Agarwal and I am the owner of Rpet Industries, your packaging partner. Over my 20 years of experience in manufacturing PET preforms, we've helped over 100 blowers both in India and Nepal in maintaining the profitability by providing them the right price preforms. We've educated them on what AA level is and how to control it so that it does not harm their customers. Today, we would be educating you on the same. Acetaldehyde AA is a degradation byproduct formed when PET is melted. For the storage of beverages in PET bottles, minimization of the AA in the bottle wall is necessary as it can transfer to the drink and alter its taste. The most stringent application is the packaging of mineral water, for which preforms with less than 3 ppm of AA are required. Now we need to know, is AA harmful for humans? Acetaldehyde is an irritant of the skin, eyes, mucous membranes, throat and respiratory tract. Symptoms of high exposure to this compound include nausea, vomiting and headaches. Now I will give you some tips to save you from buying high AA content preforms. Number 1, we need to check whether your preform supplier is using Rpet, which is recycled PET. Many of the so-called cheap preform suppliers use Rpet, although it's widely accepted today. But the Rpet available in Nepal and India is not food grade and does not have any IV certification. When mixed with virgin PET, most of these preforms are degraded and thus emit high AA content. Also, quality Rpet is costlier than virgin PET, making these preforms more expensive and making it unviable in our region. Secondly, you need to know whether your PET preform supplier uses a machine called a dehumidifier. PET, when exposed to atmosphere, absorbs moisture, which needs to be removed before processing. This is done by using dehumidifier. Moisture in PET is one of the main reasons for the release of AA, and many preform suppliers are not using dehumidifiers. If this video has educated you on AA levels and how to control them, I request you to please share this video with your fellow blowers and your friends. Also, we would love to hear about what would you like to hear in our next video. Signing off, see you in my next video.